Hello Aryan, this is Dad speaking from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I hope you know uh, today's date. It is 1/1/2012. So this is like first day of New Year, and I have decided that in year 2012 I will be making literally millions of videos for you, um, and I will be putting it online on YouTube so that we can keep our tradition of learning new stuff on the black screen. Now, a lot of people don't know what the black screen means and how it looks like, but I hope I don't have to teach you how to get to this black screen. Okay, so today's topic is counting. Okay, Counting. Okay, now counting also means measurement. Okay, now in this measurement or in this video of counting, what we are learning is what is unit of measure. Okay, what is unit of measure, right? And unit of measure can also be written in this fashion: capital U, small o, and capital M, right? Very simple. Now imagine, let me first change the pointer color to red. Okay, imagine that you have 12 apples. Okay, you have 12 apples, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll put 1 at the top, 12, right? So you have 12 pieces of apples, right? Now apple is nothing but the object. So you can say, if I ask you a question, Aryan, tell me how many apples you have, you will say 12. Okay, so when you say 12, it is nothing but you're telling me that you have 12 pieces of apples, isn't it? Let me change the pointer color to this one. If you have 12 bananas, if you have 12 bananas, okay, you will say that I have 12 pieces of bananas, right? So banana is an object which you are counting, okay, and piece is the unit of measure. So you are saying that I have 12 pieces. Now I'm not quite sure whether have you heard the unit of measure called as dozen. Okay, so 1 dozen is actually equal to 12 pieces. Okay, CES. Now 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Now this equation, okay, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces, okay, is nothing but the conversion factor, is the conversion factor, right? So when you have 12 apples, okay, when you have 12 apples, or when you say that you have 12 pieces, you can also say that I have 1 dozen apples, right? You have 1 dozen apple, or you can say that I have 12 pieces of apples, right? Now I'm going to give you a simple and a small demonstration. This is Aryan, and this is Aryan, my sweet 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 boy, and he is having 12 apples, and this is his dad, and dad is having 24 apples, double of what Aryan has, right? 12 multiplied by 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. So I have twice as many apples that you have, right? Now imagine this is the big container, okay, and Aryan, okay, I know that you like apple, but still you are going to drop all of your apples over here, okay, don't count them right now. And once that is done, then dad is also going to put all his apples in this container, okay. Now my question to you is, after you and I drop all of the apples into this container, right? Here is mommy. Okay, mommy, I'm going to draw her picture. She's smiling. She is smiling, and once we drop all the apples into this container, she's going to come and she's going to count all of them, and she wants to know how many dozen apples you and I have together. How many dozen apples we have in total, right? Now remember one thing, she is interested in knowing dozens, okay. So first of all, you have 12 and I have 24, so we are going to add this number. 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 2 3, so we have total 36 apples, which means we have 36 pieces of apples, right? And now 1 dozen is 12 pieces, so 36, which means 36 divided by 12, right? And if you know the tables, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, and 12 threes are 36. So if I divide 36 divided by 12, you get 3 dozen, right? So how many total apples we have? In total we have 3 dozens, and I really don't know why mommy wants to know how many dozen apples, because maybe she wants to sell them to another boy, right, like you. And so we don't want to know why she wants to know, but she wants to know how many dozen apples we have in total, and we have how many? 3 dozen of apples, okay. So this video is very short, and in the next video we will continue with our measurement of other objects. You know, what are the parameters that you can measure. So what all things you can measure? For example, you can measure length, right? You can measure width, right? You can measure height, right? You can measure weight, right? So there are so many things that you can measure. Now I want you to think what all things that you can measure apart from length, height, width and weight, okay. So I will be publishing my next video, but before that, this is the exercise that I would like you to find out what all other things that you can measure apart from length, height, width, weight and obviously pieces, which is the video was all about, okay. I hope you liked the video. I'm going to save this video and post it on YouTube, right, and I will email it to you. You can take a look at this video in your spare time, okay. Keep studying, but at the same time we'll also keep studying a lot of other stuff. I have list of videos that I'm going to make it for you. You know, some of the videos are very interesting. I haven't met them, but I have kind of organized, you know, what I'm going to actually have, uh, what actually I'm going to have that in those videos. So some of the videos are really interesting, like simple machines, right? You already learned about simple machines and what are the 6 different type of simple machines, like lever and wedge and inclined plane and wheel and axle and all that. But the videos will be very interactive. I want you to visit them only in your spare time. So once you are done with your studies, and when you have some time, you know, and when you're getting bored and when you feel like talking to me, you know, you can always watch my videos. All right. So our first lecture was created on 112012. So I wish you and mom a very happy new year, and I hope you enjoyed videos. And if you want any particular video to be created, just give me a call or let me know by email. I will do that for you. All right. Thank you and bye. Have a wonderful day.